A stargazer is born, introducing Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus, born in 1473, was a true visionary. He dared to challenge the accepted view of the universe. Imagine a time when everyone believed the Earth was the center of everything. This was the prevailing belief for centuries. Copernicus, however, saw things differently. He revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Copernicus was born in Poland during the Renaissance. This was a time of great intellectual and artistic awakening. New ideas were emerging, challenging old dogmas. Copernicus, with his inquisitive mind, was at the forefront of this intellectual revolution. His groundbreaking work would change the course of astronomy and science forever. The making of a revolutionary, Copernicus's early life and education. Copernicus's journey began in the bustling city of Torun, Poland, a place teeming with merchants, scholars, and vibrant cultural exchanges. Orphaned at a young age, he was raised by his uncle, a prominent church official, who recognized his nephew's potential and took him under his wing. This provided him with access to a good education, far beyond what most children of his time could hope for. He was tutored in Latin, the language of scholars, and introduced to the classical texts that would shape his thinking. He studied at the University of Krakow, immersing himself in mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. Here, he encountered the works of ancient Greek and Islamic scholars, which ignited his curiosity about the cosmos. His thirst for knowledge led him to Italy, where he continued his studies at renowned universities such as Bologna and Padua. These institutions were at the forefront of scientific and philosophical thought. He delved into law and medicine, gaining a broad and diverse education. However, astronomy remained his true passion, a field where he felt he could make his most significant contributions. During his time in Italy, he began to develop his radical ideas about the universe. He questioned the long-held geocentric model, which placed Earth at the center of the universe. He observed the heavens, meticulously recording his observations and calculations. These observations would eventually lead him to propose a heliocentric model, forever changing our understanding of the cosmos. A universe reimagined, Copernicus's daring idea. In an era dominated by the belief that Earth was the center of the universe, one man dared to think differently. Copernicus dedicated his life to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Born in 1473, he was not just an astronomer, but also a mathematician, physician, and a canon of the Church. He spent years studying the movements of planets and stars. His observations were meticulous, and he often worked late into the night, charting the heavens. He was troubled by the complexities and inaccuracies of the geocentric model, the prevailing theory at the time. This model, which placed Earth at the center, seemed increasingly flawed. This model placed the Earth at the center of the universe, with everything else revolving around it. It was a view that had been accepted for centuries, deeply rooted in both science and religion. Copernicus, through his observations and calculations, began to doubt this Earth-centered view. He noticed inconsistencies that couldn't be explained by the geocentric model. He proposed a radical alternative, the heliocentric model. This was not just a minor adjustment, but a complete overhaul of the existing understanding of the cosmos. This model placed the Sun at the center of the solar system, with the Earth and other planets orbiting it. It was a simpler, more elegant solution that explained the observed movements of celestial bodies more accurately. This was a revolutionary idea that challenged centuries of established thought. Copernicus's work laid the foundation for modern astronomy, forever changing our understanding of our place in the universe. The Earth in motion, challenging centuries of belief. Copernicus's heliocentric model was a radical departure from the accepted view. It was not just a scientific theory, it was a challenge to the very foundation of knowledge. The geocentric model, with its roots in ancient Greek philosophy and religious doctrine, was deeply ingrained in the minds of people. To suggest that the Earth was not the center of the universe was seen as heresy. Copernicus was well aware of the potential backlash. He hesitated to publish his work, De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres, fearing the reaction of the Church and the scientific community. Section 5. The heliocentric model, a simple yet revolutionary idea. Copernicus's heliocentric model was remarkably elegant in its simplicity. It proposed that the Earth, along with the other planets, revolved around the Sun in circular orbits. This simple change in perspective solved many of the problems that plagued the geocentric model. It explained the apparent retrograde motion of planets, a phenomenon that had puzzled astronomers for centuries. Copernicus's model also provided a more accurate explanation for the changing seasons on Earth. It was a more logical and harmonious explanation of the celestial movements. However, despite its elegance, the heliocentric model was met with resistance and skepticism. Section 6. The dawn of modern astronomy, Copernicus's enduring legacy. Copernicus's De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium was finally published in 1543, the year of his death. He dedicated the book to Pope Paul III, perhaps hoping to soften the blow of his revolutionary ideas. The book, though initially met with resistance, slowly began to gain traction among some scholars. It laid the foundation for a new era of astronomy. It inspired future astronomers like Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, and Isaac Newton to build upon his work. They refined and expanded upon the heliocentric model, solidifying its place as the cornerstone of modern astronomy. Section 7. Beyond the Stars, Copernicus' impact on science and beyond. Copernicus's impact extended far beyond the realm of astronomy. His work challenged the very way people viewed the universe and their place in it. It marked a paradigm shift from an Earth-centered to a Sun-centered cosmos. This shift in perspective had profound implications for science and philosophy. Copernicus's emphasis on observation and mathematical calculations as the basis for understanding the universe helped usher in the scientific revolution. His work encouraged a spirit of inquiry and a willingness to challenge established dogma. This had a ripple effect across various fields of study, paving the way for future scientific breakthroughs. Section 8. A universe of possibilities, inspiring curiosity for generations. Copernicus's legacy continues to inspire us today. His story is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of questioning the world around us. He reminds us that even the most deeply held beliefs can be challenged, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end. Copernicus's work ignited a passion for astronomy that continues to burn brightly today. From the telescopes that peer deep into the cosmos to the spacecraft that explore our solar system, we are driven by the same thirst for knowledge that motivated Copernicus centuries ago. Section 9. Copernicus's revolution, a testament to the power of ideas. Copernicus's revolution was not a violent overthrow, but a gradual shift in understanding. It was a testament to the power of ideas to change the world. His work reminds us that progress in science and knowledge often comes from challenging the status quo and embracing new perspectives. Copernicus's story is a source of inspiration for anyone who dares to think differently, to challenge the accepted norms, and to pursue their own intellectual curiosity. His legacy is a reminder that even small shifts in perspective can have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Section 10. Conclusion: the everlasting impact of a silent revolution. Nicolaus Copernicus, the quiet revolutionary, may not have lived to see the full impact of his work. His heliocentric theory, which placed the Sun at the center of the universe, was a radical departure from the geocentric models that had dominated for centuries. But his legacy lives on, forever etched in the annals of science and human thought. His ideas laid the groundwork for future astronomers and scientists, challenging them to question established beliefs and seek out new truths. He taught us that the Earth is not the center of the universe, but our quest to understand it knows no bounds. This paradigm shift not only changed our understanding of the cosmos, but also ignited a spirit of inquiry and exploration that continues to drive scientific discovery today. As we continue to explore the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, We carry with us the spirit of Copernicus, a spirit of curiosity, courage, and an unwavering pursuit of truth. His influence can be seen in the work of modern astronomers who use advanced technology to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. His story reminds us that the universe is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look up and dream big. The silent revolution he began continues to inspire generations, urging us to look beyond the known and embrace the mysteries that lie beyond the stars.